Hi students, exercise 7.2 completed. Today I am going to start exercise 7.3. Before that, let me say a few formulas. Listen carefully. First one is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Let A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 be the vertices of a triangle. See here, let A x1 comma y1, A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 be the vertices of a triangle. Then the area of the triangle. Then area of the triangle is equal to A, B, C are 3 points. The coordinates of point A are x1 comma y1. The coordinates of B are x2 comma y2 and the coordinates of C are x3 comma y3. So A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Then the area of the triangle is, the formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle when 3 vertices are given. Okay, see once again, area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, if 3 vertices are given, then area of the triangle is equal to this formula. Okay, now see exercise 7.3. Now see exercise 7.3. First one, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, first problem, 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 and final point is 2 comma minus 4. Here the 3 vertices of a triangle are given. We have to find area of the triangle. Okay, see here, first problem. Given points are exercise 7.3. First problem. Given points are, let me take first point as A, 2 comma 3 comma B minus 1 comma 0 and final point you can take it as C, 2 comma minus 4. Okay, so A, B, C are the vertices of the given triangle. 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 and C is 2 comma minus 4. These 3 are the vertices of the given triangle. We have to find area of the given triangle. Okay, now write area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula for area of the triangle. Okay, now we can take first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2, and third point as x3 y3. Okay, substitute these values in given formula. Okay, now write 1 by 2 modulus x1. The value of x1 is 2. So 2 into y2. The value of y2 is 0 minus y3. The value of y3 is minus 4. Minus y3 value minus 4. You can use a bracket. Next x2. The value of x2 is minus 1 into y3. Y3 value minus 4 minus y1. The value of y1 is 3 plus x3. X3 value 2 into y1. The value of y1 is 3 minus y2. Y2 value 0. All of you check once. x1 2, y2 0, y3 minus 4, x2 minus 1, y3 minus 4, y1 plus 3, x3 2, y1 3, and final y2 is 0. Okay, now 1 by 2 modulus 2 into here 0 minus into minus plus 4 plus into minus 1 into here minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0 3 modulus that equal to 1 by 2 modulus 0 plus 4 2 4s are 8. Next minus into minus plus 1 into 7 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6. Once again 0 plus 4 2 4s are 8 minus into minus plus 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6. Okay, so that equal to 1 by 2 modulus 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 21. So modulus 21 that equal to 1 by 2 into modulus 21 means plus 21. Suppose modulus minus 21 is also plus 21. Modulus plus 21 is also 21. Okay, so here remove the modulus, you can get into 21. Okay, that equal to 1 into 21 by 2, that is equal to 21 by 2. 21 by 2 means 10.5. This is the area of the triangle. So square units. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 10.5 square units. Okay. Next, second problem. First from one, second problem. Given points are first point we can take it as A minus 5 comma minus 1. Second point B 3 comma minus 5, and final point is C 5 comma 2. So A minus 5 comma minus 1, B 3 comma minus 5, and the final point C is 5 comma 2. So these are three given vertices of the triangle. Okay, we have to find area of the triangle ABC. Okay, the formula area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle. So first point we can take it as x1 comma y1, and second point we can take it as x2 comma y2, and third point is x3 comma y3. Substitute here 1 by 2 modulus x1. The value of x1 is minus 5 into y2 value minus 5 minus y3 2 plus x2. The value of x2 is 3 into y3 value 2 minus y1. The value of y1 is minus 1. Use bracket here plus x3. The value of x3 is 5 into y1 minus y2. The value of y1 is minus 1 minus y2. The value of y2 is minus 5. Check once again. x1. The value of x1 is minus 5. y2 minus 5 minus y3 2 plus x2 3 y3 2 minus y1 minus 1 x3 5 y1 minus 1 minus y2 value is minus 5. Okay, that equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus 5 into here minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 modulus minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. Okay, that equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus into minus plus 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 plus 1 3 3 threes are 9. 2 plus 1 3 3 into 3 9 plus here 5 into minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 4 5 into plus 4 5 fours are 20. So that equal to 1 by 2 modulus 35 plus 9 44 44 plus 20 64 35 plus 9 44 plus 20 64 64. That is equal to 1 by 2 modulus 64 value plus 64. So into plus 64, remove the modulus, you can get only plus value. Suppose here minus 64 and we can get also plus 64. Okay, so modulus 64 value plus 64. So here 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 32. 2 ones are 2 32s are, so 32 square units. Okay, so the area of the given triangle ABC is equal to 32 square units. Okay. Okay, next problem number 3. First Roman, third problem. So see here, given points are first point we can take it as A 0, 0. Second point B 3, 0, and final point C 0, 2. 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. These are the vertices of the given triangle. We have to find area of the triangle ABC. Okay. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We can use this formula, we can get area of the triangle, that equal to 1 by 2 modulus. First point we can take it as x1 comma y1 and second point x2 comma y2 and third point is x3 comma y3. Substitute all these values here. Okay. First one x1. The value of x1 is 0. 0 into the value of y2 is also 0 minus y3. y3 value 2 plus x2. The value of x2 is 3 into y3. y3 value 2 minus the value of y1 is 0 plus x3. x3 value 0 into y1. The value of y1 is also 0 minus y2. The value of y2 is also 0. Check once again. The value of x1 is 0, y2 0, y3 2, x2 3, y3 2, y1 0, x3 0, y1 0 and y2 is also 0. Okay, that equal to 1 by 2 modulus. See here, 0 into anything, the result is 0. 0 into anything, the result is 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0, 2 plus here also 0 into anything, 0. So that equal to 1 by 2 modulus 0 plus 3 2s are 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. So modulus 6. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. That equal to 1 by 2 modulus 6. The result is also 6. Modulus 6 value 6. Okay. So into 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That equal to 3 square units. Okay. The area of the triangle with given vertices is equal to 3 square units. Okay. First one completed. I will give you some problems as homework. Homework problems. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are first problem 1 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 5. Second problem 5 comma 2 4 comma 7 and 7 comma minus 4. Third problem 5 comma 2 3 comma minus 5 and minus 5 comma minus 1. Fourth problem, 6 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 7 and 3 comma 3. Fifth problem, 2 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 6. I am giving these problems as homework. Find the area of the triangle. Okay.